Hi everyone, my name's Judi. I'm with Empower Simcoe EarlyON Child and Family Center here in Barrie. It's almost Valentine's Day! Yay! Valentine's Day makes me think of colors. What colors do you think about when you think about Valentine's Day? Did I hear the color red? I think a lot of us think about the color red on Valentine's Day. I was looking at my scarf earlier. This is one of my favorite scarves. Take a look at the colors. They're all swirling and twirling together. That made me think about doing some mixing colors. Would you like to do an experiment with me? Let's see what we can make. First, I got some heart-shaped containers that I happen to have in my cupboard. You can use cups, paper cups, plastic cups, anything that you can find. And then I needed some food coloring. Red food coloring is what I chose to use, but you can do any color you like. So I got some paper towel and I cut the paper towel into little pieces as well. And I rolled them up and I'm going to use those for later. Let's take a look. Can you see I added the water to the containers? And then I added the paper towel between each container to try and make a shape of a heart. Do you see what's happening? What do you see? I wonder how the red is moving up the paper towel into the other container. I wonder how that's happening. Soon, all of it is red. I've made a heart. Now I think I might like to change the color. So I'm going to add some other little cups and I'm going to put blue food coloring in those cups. I'm going to add more little rolled up pieces of paper towel. I didn't have to use very much paper towel at all. And now I'm going to see what happens when the blue travels up the paper towel and meets the red on the other side. What do you think will happen? Let's take a look and see. This was very exciting. Did you see all the colors that we made? We made some dark blue and light blue and dark red and light red and purple. How many colors do you see? Now that I'm all finished making all these different colors, I think I'm going to put this tray outside in the snow and freeze it overnight and see what happens next. Take a look at my frozen ice cubes. And they're in the shape of hearts. And when I take off the outside of the containers, oh, that feels cold and it's fun to play with in the tray. I also poured some leftovers into another container, so I have two different kinds of shapes. If I put some paper underneath, I can make a picture. That was fun. The other thing I have is all these leftover paper towel pieces. This is going to make a beautiful picture to make for a Valentine. I wonder how many things you could make and what colors you would choose. I can think of so many different ways to play with this game. What about you? One really good idea, though, is to wear gloves. Otherwise, you might get purple hands like me. Have a wonderful Valentine. I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe below.